dear. Oh, I don't think that's how you're supposed to. The bunnies are going out on fresh grass. We got the rabbit tractor built today. We're going to move them every day to a new salad bar. Hmm?
Tins off this much.
Yeah, can you go open the door?
Hurry.
Did you want to do a white rabbit?
You want to do Walter?
Well, Joyful's
Joyful.
wanting
Joyful.
you to carry him.
I don't even know how this one got shut like this. Oh man, I bent it trying to get it in. Come here, Walt.
I like it how he kind of like spreads his back legs.
You want to carry him, Josiah? We should have let you choose since they're your bunnies.
Hey, I know you're tired. You got a bad attitude. That's okay. I want you to have a good attitude. You want to carry Walt?
You want to see them in there? How are they doing, Josiah?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Are they digging him or eating and pooping?
Yeah.
He's digging and he's trying to get that grass up. They moved it sideways.
Hey, can I
Are you going to move it? Let's go. You keep doing that every day, you'll get there. Keep trying. I'm going to have Daddy move it here in a second. That's little Maple. Yeah, just from when we moved it sideways, it kind of laid the grass over, so they're having a hard time getting to it. Do you want to get them off the laid over grass maybe, or just leave it for tonight?
I think she was getting it though.
Okay. Caleb, look.
Oh, you're talking about that.
Yeah. Here's Maple, Caleb. Hi, Maple. Hi, Maple. Pretty
Let's just see how
girl.
well they do, because we still have food, so.
What do you think, Caleb? Hi, Scotty Garden. Hi, Scotty Garden. Hey, down. Stay down. Look at you, too. Stay down. This grass is where we ran our meat birds on last fall. And,
It's like the perfect green.
yeah. That's pretty green over there, too, because that's where we had our layers. They're over there on the old garden right now, fertilizing it. But it's beautiful out here. So pretty.
Get up on top of
You can kind of see on the spots where they didn't get it. Out there in the corner and then kind of up there. We didn't get them up there.
No, Caleb.
But on all this out here. So we're running our rabbits here now for a dead-end host of any of the, you know, diseases or anything like that. and to fertilize it. And that way they can get some good green grass in their systems. Oh, finding the ball.
Scott missed it. Where's the ball, Cade? Where'd that ball go? I thought you saw it.
Hey, buddy. What you doing? What you doing walking? Where's your Maple? Maple and Caleb are best friends. They go everywhere together, don't ya?
Look at her in the grass.
There's Maple. There she is.
Tiny in the grass.
He loves her. Yeah. Hi, Scotty. Hi, Scotland. You got Maple. Maple, no. Good girl.